Hello everybody, welcome to Fall Quarter 2020 and to AENGl 90 or Academic English 90. I'm your instructor, Deborah Clark, and I'm very excited that we're going to be working together this quarter. You'll see that I'm actually in the classroom in the top module, and a module is something like a file folder. I've set up the class so that each week you're going to have a new module, a new folder with all your work in it, and I will basically tell you more about that once we get started in the class. The purpose of this video, though, is just to welcome you and to tell you a couple of things about me, but also about getting started. So I've put a Get Ready for Online Learning module at the top of the class, and this would be really good if you, first of all, if you don't know much about Canvas or anything about Canvas, you could look at these parts of the course. But if you are just wanting to prepare for your success this quarter, you might be more interested in these parts of the course about managing your time and how to take care of yourself, or getting help with technology or your environment. So this is at the very, very top of the modules. I wanted to scroll down a little bit and show you something else. Right here, it says helpful resources, and I'm going to send you a message, but I'd like everybody to update their profile on Canvas, and all I'm asking for is a picture either of your face or of something that you want to represent you, an avatar. Okay, it could be your favorite anime character, it could be your pet cat. I don't care, but I basically, when I see your work, I want to be able to recognize that picture. Okay, so the way that you, if you could just click on this, I'm not going to go into the detail. It tells you exactly how to update your profile, because if you don't do it, what I see is this outline of an empty gray head, which I don't think is a good thing for learning. Okay. Well, just a little tiny bit about me, because I don't want the video to be too long, but I just adore working with the population in the AENGl classes. What we have in common, whether you're an international student or you're an immigrant or a refugee to the United States, or somebody who's already got their green card and they're ready to become a citizen, which is very exciting, I think what we've got in common is that we all come from another country other than the United States. And I also was born and raised moving around a lot, and I love to travel, so I feel most comfortable working with this population of people from many different cultures. I guess what I really mean to say is we're made for each other, okay? And in this welcome video, because I know this is not an easy time to be studying, you know, everybody's struggling with it, I just really, really want to encourage you not to be afraid of me. I don't bite, okay? And please feel free to reach out, ask questions about anything, okay? And I will either answer the question or help you get an answer to that question if I can. Let's just do the best that we can to build a warm learning community. Okay, I will see you soon, and again, welcome. Okay.